Now start to replace the evaporator blower. First, open the phone cover. Then you will see 3 screws on each side of the plastic cover. Loosen all 6 screws. After loosening the screws, tear off all the sponge strip here. Now remove the plastic cover and you can see the evaporator blower. First, we need to pull out the 2 positive and negative wires. Press the buckle and pull out the red and black wires in turn. Now remove the screws of the evaporator blower. There are also screws inside, and loosen all the screws. The evaporator blower can be removed. Now replace the new evaporator blower. The position of the air outlet is opposite to the slot below. You can change the position like this. So you have to align the screw position and tighten the screws. Reinstall the positive and negative wires. After plugging in the wires, pull them hard to make sure they are not loose. Now install the plastic protective cover. After putting on the plastic cover, screw it back in. Then put the sponge strip back on the place that was just torn to prevent air leakage. Finally, put on the foam cover. The evaporator blower has been replaced.